In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, responsible AI is an imperative, especially in the realm of generative AI. Why, you ask? Well, let me take you on a journey through real-life cases and data that underscores the critical need for responsible AI practices within generative AI. First and foremost, consider the issue of bias. Generative AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases that are present in their training data. For instance, an AI chatbot that was trained on internet conversations ended up mimicking racist and offensive language. Such occurrences are not isolated incidents. They highlight the pressing need for responsible AI to ensure that our creations don't inadvertently harm or discriminate against individuals and communities. Then there's the issue of deepfakes. Generative AI can be used to create incredibly convincing synthetic videos and images, posing a serious threat to individuals' privacy and even national security. We keep seeing how deepfake videos of world leaders making inflammatory remarks have dire consequences. Next, let's talk about the environment. Generative AI models, particularly the large ones, demand immense computational power. Training a single model can consume as much energy as several households do in a year. With the growing consequences of climate change, it's evident that responsible practices are necessary to mitigate the risk of environmental impact. And then there's the issue of intellectual property. Generative AI can create content that blurs the lines of originality, raising questions about copyright and ownership. A well-known case involved an AI system creating artwork that was inspired from the works of thousands of artists. It sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. But who owns the rights to such creations? Considering these challenges, responsible practices in generative AI are essential. These include transparent algorithms, ethical data sourcing, bias mitigation strategies, and stringent guidelines on usage. It also entails promoting AI literacy among users to discern fact from fiction in the age of deepfakes. Data from the World Economic Forum indicates that over 90% of businesses expect AI to be important for their competitiveness. But with great power comes great responsibility. Responsible AI ensures that the immense potential of generative AI is harnessed for the greater good without causing harm. Responsible AI is not just an afterthought, it's a moral and ethical imperative. As we navigate this AI-driven world, it's clear that our moral principles should be the compass guiding us towards a future where AI enhances our lives without compromising our values.